On this problem, we're evaluating the expression x minus y minus z. Whenever x is 11/12, y is 1/3, and z is 1/4. So we're going to plug all of these things in to that expression. I'm getting 11/12 for x, and y is 1/3, and z is 1/4. And in order to subtract these fractions, whenever you add and subtract fractions, you have to have the same denominator. So if I were going to do this by hand, I would need to find a common denominator. But I'm just going to put this in the calculator. So we had 11/12, so I'm going to say open parentheses, 11 divided by 12, close the parentheses, hit your minus key, open parentheses for your fraction, 1/3, 1 divided by 3, close your parentheses, and then we have the minus 1/4. Oops, hit my back key, 1 divided by 4. Enter, that's 1/3, but in order for me to, if I don't know that 0.3 repeating is 1/3, you can press second and then the FD key right here, or the PRB lets you do the fraction decimal option if you press second first. So press second, then press that PRB FD key, enter, and that tells you 1/3. So our answer is equal to 1/3.